Yo. Okay, what's up, everyone? There we go. We're getting at the Atos charts up right now. So let's just make sure that it's downloading. We're going to show the charts that I've been looking at on Atos itself. Let's get it up. So what I am seeing right now, NQ is trading at 202.75, and I was looking at the CVD as well. Now I'm still playing around with it. I wouldn't mind taking actually a potential long here off the lows. Let's just get this up again. There we go. So we're trading back at 210. I'm actually going to try a long here. I'm going to buy 3 macros, and the market. There we go. This is the Atos platform, and it's pretty cool. You can actually execute on it. I want to take away this Hakanashi and volume TPO and VWAP. What's this? No, the VWAP's quite nice. So I want to see. I still want to see how you can anchor the New York session open VWAP. Let's go like this: indicators. So I'm currently long at 210 on NQ. Right, just for a heads up for you guys. Let's get the ASFX TV stream working. So yeah, I've been testing out this Atos, and it is great for futures traders, I must say. Like, it's really, really cool to actually have a look at. Price action's been quite subdued today. I've had one nice winning trade. And then I've been just watching and observing. I've actually been crushing on the swing trading side of things today. I had some gold longs and some meta, stock meta longs as well. So I can speak about that too. I'm just waiting to get the charts up here as well. Perfect. There we go. Brilliant. Okay, cool. Yo, Pat, secured a $4,000. Hey, well done, Doug. There we go, dude. Congrats. $4,000 payout with Apex. Nice. How long have you had those Apex accounts for? But let me turn off the Luna sent me a picture of the indicators that he uses himself. We'll put the big trades on as well. And then let's actually favorite that. So big trades. So there we go. So we'll add the chart as well. Perfect. So I'm long off the lows here. We'll turn that off. Luna was having a look at this. So the CVD is still positive, not massively, but CVD is still positive above. It's trading at 918 at the moment. Positive CV hasn't really been above 2K at all today. So I'm trying along off the lows. I really, really do like it. As I said, this Atos platform is really cool for the traders that trade a lot with volume, but also want to do the copy trading and everything like that. Atos has it all built in over here. They were at the Prop Firm Expo as well with Austin and the guys over there. Let's just get this camera fixed a little bit like that. There we go. So trying some longs here off the lows. Let's just have a look. Also want to have a look at the hourly time frame on NQ. So we're mainly trading NQ here on stream. Zach almost exclusively only trades NQ. I do want to speak a little bit about Meta and my trades there, and also gold, because I did take those trades long as well. So that was pretty nice. Not getting any follow through here, I must say. It's been a very, very slow market at the minute. So unfortunately, I think no extensions here. If I do close out, it'll be for a smallish loss. Maybe you could have got a better price on this, to be honest. But we are still trading inside the opening range. So if we go back to my just trading view to have a look as well, we are still trading inside the New York session opening range, which I really do like. My longs today were from here back up to the highs, daily VWAP. Those are my longs today. So the only critical thing I can say right now is I'm buying it underneath both VWAPs, which is obviously a tougher trade. We know that. So we'll get Zach's thoughts on it in a bit. But I am testing out all of these functions with Atos and everything like that. Actually add another chart. Choose instrument. Let's go NQ. So you can actually, NQU. And I'm still in the process of figuring out the live data and everything like that as well. But I have been playing around with it, and I actually really, really do like it. As I said, potentially for you guys that love that love copy trading and the future side of things, I think this is a really, really good platform for you guys. So we'll keep you updated there, that side. Perfect. So this we can actually put an hourly time frame. This is a 5 minute. So this is pretty cool. Let's go like this. We'll hide the like that, and we can actually put it up over here. So we can have the trading on the right-hand side. Yeah, we're coming lower right now. I don't particularly like this 5 minute time frame. Was showing a little bit of support here, but now coming back down lower, which I don't really like. Mm. 12 trading days, second payout from the 5 accounts. Yeah, that's brilliant, bro. Really, really well done. So as I said, I'm just long here like this, and we can also put on a long position like that. Okay, we can go like that, and we're looking to take it back up to the highs like this, back up to VWAP. Cool. As I said, yeah, it just price action's been a lot more slow today. We've been seeing massive ranges on price action days where markets have been moving 2, 3, 100 points very, very quickly. Right now, we haven't really been seeing that. So just looking to take this play back up to the high side. Although price has been slow, we're seeing just if we can get that extension, CVD is still positive, and we were trading above New York session VWAP for quite some time there. But yeah, I still like this position where we're moving in from over here. Okay. Yep. So we're down 150 at the moment. This is the hourly time frame on the right, okay, and the 5 minute on the left. And you can also get other, like you can add a third chart as well, which is obviously pretty cool for guys that love like multiple time frame analysis. And then if you want to zoom in, you just go like that, which is pretty cool. I mean, it's pretty efficient. So I'm going to be showing you more of this Atos platform for you guys, but it is actually specifically made for futures traders too. So let's just zoom in like that. So down 160. Can actually maybe like let's add in two at a better price. Sorry, two. Order filled. So there you go, the average price, better average price now, right? See, it's now 5. Perfect. Anyone got any thoughts? So Doug, you've taken some payouts. Anyone else taken any payouts recently with any of the prop firms? I've been on a little bit of a drought recently. I had one FTMO payout in the beginning of June, and then I've been in some drawdown on the accounts more recently. So I definitely got some work to do, work cut out for myself. But nothing that you always got to be up for a challenge in this game. You're never going to get it right all the time, that's for sure. So very, very well done to you though, Doug. I think that's fantastic, bro. Very, very well done. Cool. So as I said, CVD is still positive. Stocks are also green on the day too. We've had a very, very bullish market today so far in terms of stocks. Let's go back to TradingView just to show you. But stocks at the moment, every single Mag 7 stock is green on the day except NVIDIA. So interesting to see the NASDAQ pull back a little bit. But let's see if we can get this a little bounce here. 5-minute time frame is starting to show a little bit of support. So let's go back to Atos. Let's actually go like this. Let's go to the 5-minute time frame there. Just waiting for it to download. There we go. Now it's updating properly. There we go. And then we can add a second chart like this. In Q6. Okay. And we'll put that on the hourly. Perfect. So new 5-minute bar just started. Would like it to show some form of support here and look to bounce back up. We did find some nice level of buying pressure over here earlier in the trading day. So I'm hoping that happens there too. Let's put on the indicators. Let's put on CVD as well. Add to chart. Apply. There we go. I can bring that up. So CVD is bottoming out a little bit. And again, this is where we did find support from earlier as well. Let's take that off and put it on the right hand side. Just don't like how we've been pulling back on the hourly time frame. That's all. Basically, that's one of the only things that I don't really like about it. But yeah, good work, Doug. Any thoughts or comments in the chat right now? Anyone? How's everyone else's day been? Zach should be on in a bit, but yeah, I appreciate you guys always tuning in. Cool. See, we just bottom out here. If it doesn't hold us like above 150, then I know it's probably done. 176. I would like it to get back up to at least like I was thinking like 350 back up to half day. What's some things that you guys are struggling with recently? I would say sometimes when I'm in a bit of a proud drought myself, I find that I sometimes try and force trade. So that's why I've allocated some of my CFD accounts specifically only for swing trading. And that's personally been helping me. So anything that's you guys have been struggling with more recently that we can maybe speak about on stream here as well, let me know. Zach should be back on in a bit. I know he was messaging me here. There you go. This is looking good. See how quickly we start to bounce here. See how the CVD is starting to come up now, starting to rise, starting to turn. There we go. There you go. So I think also this was the pullback to like pre-market highs from yesterday. So like definitely a level that we could be looking at potentially for what's your invalidation on this, Harry? Mine would be if we had to close underneath like 140 with a 5-minute bar. So that's kind of where I was thinking about my stop. So let's go back like this. Let's go like that long position. So I was long from here, and then I added in, okay, with some more size. But my end validation point would be like 120. Anything underneath 120, I don't like. I like the longs today. I just think that markets have just quietened down after such a big run up yesterday. So that's kind of like my validation point where I was thinking for myself personally. Good day to Hot Out. Figured out catch a kill zone since I haven't had the chance. And Harry, that was my question. Yeah, good stuff, Rob. So basically underneath 120. If we had to close 5-minute on the 5-minute time frame underneath there, so that would also put me like underneath where the low over there, like underneath 120. If we had to close with a body candle underneath that, I would be like, okay, cool, this is done for the day. But I like the longs. Look at that meta. So this was my meta position that I could speak about. No, we can't get that on the Atos platform, at least with the TraderVate Ninja Trader connection. But this was my meta position. I actually closed out over here at 609.50. Closed half here, 50% off here. Okay, and the reason I was long above the 5-day SMA. And obviously, I had that news that came in that obviously helped me, but hey, I didn't know that was going to happen. So I'll take that, and it was a really, really nice trade. So I'm still managing. I didn't expect it to actually go this far so quickly, but still managing. So that was my meta position. And I did have a gold trade as well that I took actually with Luna. You guys know Zach and Luna stream together. I'm still got a piece on gold as well. I took the longs here on stream live as well. So that's kind of been my day so far in terms of the swing trades, but just one quick scalp on the day trading side of things with regards to NQ. Let's go back to Atos. So we had a nice close here. I'm down for $40 at the moment. We'll see if we can continue to get some high side momentum here. I would like a move, as I said, even back to 270 would be pretty nice. You can, if you are watching this online, you can make sure to go check out the link in my bio. The code ASFX saves you with Atos. It is asfx.biz/Atos if you want to check out this platform, especially for the guys that love the CVD. And it's got like the level 2 data as well, which I'm going to be testing out on future streams, which you'll be seeing more of. And then make sure that the guys that are watching live as well, the code first gets you a free month to ASFX TV. The guys also in them stream live at the open. Okay. Depth of market, it's actually. So volume there for the day. So we'll turn that off right now. Yeah. Does that make sense, Rob and Harry? Those that are watching in the chat there. Oh, that did make sense. But yeah, we're looking good now. Let's go to even a 15-minute time frame. And yeah, I would like to see this flip and get back bullish, even if we have a look at, oops, let's go like this as well. Back up into 200s. We're trading above the weekly VWAP. I would like, ideally for the swing trade, I would like it back to 30,600, ideally. But yeah, we'll see based on that. We haven't broken out the opening week range yet either. Cool. There we go. So we're still looking pretty solid, yeah. Sort of. I get where you're coming from. Just used to Austin's and Evans style, so just sitting back and collecting. Yeah, 100%. This is very, very similar to, let's put it like this. Let's put more of the VWAPs on. Let's go back to my trading view. I've still got Austin and Evans daily VWAP. I'm still in the process of putting that onto Atos, the daily VWAP and the New York Session Open VWAP. I'm like the longs, okay? I like the longs simply because we've traded more above the New York Session VWAP today than below it, okay? So I still like the longs for that perspective. Also, all stocks are green except NVIDIA. And the first hour was also bullish in terms of the H4 data. Okay, so the H4 data shows me, and I can actually pull that up as well. That's actually a good point. So we're back in the green here, by the way. So yeah, up 52. So what I can show you as well, let's go like this. Where's it here? Just trying to get it here for you guys. H4. It was on the one screen there, but we'll get it up here, no worries. 211 now, so we're picking up some momentum there. There we go. So I want to show you here this data. Opening candle continuation. So I've still got the Austin and Evans, VWAPs and that, but I am also using some data in terms of this. What up, JB? Did you play the opening? I did. I played the first thing. See, Luigi knows how to trade because he watches often. That's sick. Yeah, so basically on NQ, okay, and I'm just looking for the scalps. I'm not looking like for the whole day, but it will just keep me in like give me like a decent bias for the day. Like, hey, the first hour was bullish, so I should be looking for longs for the rest of the day. Okay, so let's look at this. Let's look at NQ in the first 6 months. Okay, well, year to date or the first 6 months, we can see that the first 30 minutes, okay, if the first 30 minutes is bullish, we have a 70% chance that we'll close the day as a green closing day, meaning that we'll close above that open price, the 9:30 a.m. open price. Yeah. We can also customize this. You guys know I'm even wearing an Edgefill hat. I stream with Edgefill live every single day at the open on my YouTube channel. But year to date, if the first hour is bullish, we have a 74.29% chance it will close as a bullish closing day, and vice versa for the shorts. If that first hour was red, we have a 71% chance of closing bearish. Now, because the first hour was bullish, I'm going to continue looking for quick little scalps to the high side. Does that make sense in what I'm saying? Still using VWAP and the the plays that Orson and Evan take. I'm just adding something up as well in terms of that too. Let me know if that makes sense, Rob. But Luigi, you with me, right? You understand why I'm looking for the longs, even though we are underneath New York Session Open VWAP at the moment. New York Session Open VWAP and the daily VWAP. So we're still looking good. Yeah, we're up 162 on it. I think I'm going to look to see if we can try and take it back to 271 personally. I'm listening and making sense and making it perfect. I appreciate you tuning in, Rob. I know what's his name? Zach could have a different take on this as well, but yes. I like a few other ways to look and predicting exactly, and that's all data back too. So that's the reason I really like that from a data perspective as well. So we're up to 49 on this at the moment. We can see if, as I said, I'm going to see if we can get back up to 267. The hourly time frame is starting to bottom out now, which is really nice. We were coming lower, but now we've hit like a bottom, like that support level, which is pre-market highs from yesterday. And now we are starting to think. I'm literally checking at all these indicators on here as well. There's so many stuff here on Atos to have a look at as well. So this ATR, geez, these caffeine pouches have been helping so much. Let's check these out. Actually, look at this. So I've been using these because I don't want the nicotine anymore. So I've been looking. Yeah, let's see if you guys can see this. And it's just got caffeine in. Because obviously now it's like 7:30 p.m. our side. So it's just got 75 milligrams of caffeine. I have like 4 or 5 a day. Try and keep it underneath 400. But it's been helping so much, especially later on in the sessions where I am, it gets tiring. So yeah, that's been actually, yeah. Yeah, 100%, Rob. Where are you tuning in from, bro? Cool. So we're starting to bottom out even on, I can look at my trading view charts here as well, but I really, the CVD is picking up. I would like the CVD to ID. It is, picking up at the moment. I would ideally like it to get a little bit higher. Let's go here. So the CVD is actually still just got negative. Interesting. Yeah, so CVD did pop in positive for a little bit today, but now we're actually trading negative 4K, but it is rising at the moment. We failed to take there. So let's see if we can get back up to like 267, 280. That's what I'm looking for. Hourly time frame looks really nice as well. Starting to bottom out here too. Okay, we can favorite the rectangle. We can go like this. Show favorites toolbar, yeah. I'll show that. Sorry, we don't want that. Delete. But yeah, we're looking good. Yeah, up 330 now. We're bouncing quite aggressively. Hourly time frame looks good. I think we could start to get back up to half there personally. But it's yeah, we'll keep an eye out on that. What is Pennsylvania? Nice. I was in Pennsylvania the other day actually visiting Austin. So now let's practice just closing. I'll close 2. Is she want to close and cancel all orders? No, I just wanted to close. No, I just wanted to close 2, right? So I wanted to. See, I'm just. So I actually am looking at MNQ. Yeah, perfect. I want to see if I can. See, I'll have to ask actually how to close out just partials, right? What I'm trying to figure out is now why would the entry to play the opening comp with the 30 minutes? You can use both, Luigi. You can front run the 30 minutes. You can use both 100%. Okay, so you can use the first 30 minutes or first hour depending on how price action is. So I would yeah. I'm gonna see if I can still hold us back up towards the highs. I'll close it all out at once, but I do want to see how we can maybe get the partialing done. And as I'm playing around with this platform, again, you can go check it out. Yeah. Okay, so Atos, you can go check out there. So we're still looking good. As I said, yeah, there's everything you need to know about me over there, right? You can go check out Atos over there. And we'll put that in the comment section as well.
Yo. Can you hear me?
I can, yes, sir. I've got a long here. Check. I'm operating on the Atos platform, boss.
Nice. Let me see it.
Yeah. It looks pretty cool, bro.
Ooh, looks clean. What a choppy day, bro, on the NQ, huh?
Yeah, no, it is. I managed to get one quick long, bro.
Beauty. Yeah, I haven't taken anything. I mean, obviously I was dealing with the baby right there, but AM session I took. What did we do? We did a long. We actually made money on a long in the Asia session.
Sure. Do you want to get your chart up and show that as well?
Yeah.
The guys have been asking the chat and everything, but yeah, I'm just running these longs at the moment. I just had one quick long, and I've had some cool swing plays as well, Zach, which I spoke about.
Nice. Oh, I want to hear about that. Your swing trade. Are you in a swing short, long? What is it?
No, I was in a swing long on gold, Meta, and also Nvidia. But Meta and gold, crushed it.
Lit.
Yeah.
Here, yeah. I'll show my screen now. And then I want to see the Addis platform. I'm setting up today.
Yeah, this is Addis at the moment that I've got up right now, which is pretty cool.
Sick.
Yeah.
So here are my executions. So I did a short. So these are my new Tradeify accounts.
Sure.
I got 5 Lightning funded. I'm allowed to trade with Tradeify again. So that's what's up.
What 150Ks? Yeah.
150Ks. One with the big boys, 5. So here are my first 2 trades. Just 2 trades all day. So we took a short here in the Asia session. I think I have all of them up here. Yeah. So here's the short we took. Down here, pretty much thought process was we were just like really overextended in a deep premium on the higher time frame, thinking we could probably get a push into this imbalance down here. This was kind of like the target, the draw on liquidity. I expected us to fill that in the overnight. So that was the short because we had a nice little on the 15-minute, like higher high, lower high, lower high, lower low. So 15-minute market structure shift right there. Got in on this anticipated lower high. And then just kind of took that nice little move. And then for the morning, just this quick scalp. And I'm really happy that I decided to just go for the base hit.
Yeah.
But I was thinking.
I took that exact same trade as you.
Did you? Sick.
Yeah.
Yeah. For me, it was previous day's value area low. We bounced off of it, kind of swept out all these lows. We tapped into that hourly fair value gap that I just had marked out before. So I was like, okay, we could probably get a push here. And I just decided to go for the cheapest trade possible and just target this wick up here. Just target these wicks.
Nice.
So we got out. Nice move. And then since then it's just been a chop fest, bro.
Yeah, I just added 2 macros into my position there on that pullback on NQ, but I'm just watching it right now. But it looks pretty cool.
So what accounts do you have hooked up to this?
No, bro. So the accounts, I just got a Top One Futures account hooked up to it. I'm not copy trading or anything on it at the moment. I'm still getting used to it. I'm still just trying to see what there is to do on it. But you can do all copy trading inside, and everything like that. And you can obviously get a lot of your indicators. Like Luna was showing me, I took a screenshot of his charts today. He was showing me you can even get like the heat map. See, like I still need to get the level 2. I've got the rhythmic data. I just need to hook it up here and everything like. But you can get the heat map. Okay, like look over here. So like MNQ MNQU like that. So like you can see the orders coming through and everything like that. You check what I'm saying.
Yeah, very sick. Dude, Luna, he's like an Addis enthusiast. He loves that.
Yeah, he is. But I can understand why. It's the first time I'm ever using it, and it looks really, really cool, bro. I mean, it's very user-friendly in terms of like the once you hooked it up and everything like that for the futures guys. You can trade all your accounts that you want,
Yeah,
so,
it's a professional platform. It's been around for a long time too.
And it's a professional platform. I would say yes. It's not for like they would probably use Atis at the firms that like if you're trading at an in-house prop firm or something like that.
Yeah, no, 100%. I actually met some of the reps from Atis when we were in London. They were really nice people too.
Yes. So like, look, you can close out there, and then like if you wanted to get long like another 5 macros, I'm just testing out. This is a Top One Futures account that I'm instant funded. I'm just testing out, so you can. Like there you go. You can buy like another 5 macros and so forth. So I'm just getting used to executing on Atis as well.
Yeah, for sure, man. I'm so torn on the bias here. I really could see.
Yeah, well, we're getting a little bit of an injection here right now to the downside. So that doesn't look too fantastic. But I'm thinking it just chops around right now, bro. So I've actually closed that first trade out for a little bit of a win. But I agree. I think it's a bit too choppy for my liking at the moment, bro. I must say.
Yeah, man. How'd you do in June, bro? Any payouts? Like what was it looking like? I feel like we haven't talked in a few weeks. Couple weeks.
I got just under 5K worth of payouts in June on FTMO, and then I put 2 of my accounts into drawdown. So it hasn't been the best June. Not the worst. I didn't spend a ton of money. I think I spent like $1,000 on getting some futures accounts and stuff like that. But other than that, just not the best June. So just looking to have a stronger start to July.
Yeah, I feel that. So what you got any like plans? Like what accounts are you rocking with for
I want to add, as I said, I want to add some futures accounts, but I'm still got my FTMOs and going for the max funding with them. So that FTMO and some futures accounts. And I do have a Blueberry account as well. So that a bit of a mixture. So top one FTMO and Blueberry. That's what I kind of just been focusing on more.
Dude, recently. I bought another E8 Pro account because
they're still offering it.
It was the last day. That's why I got it last night, like 2 hours before.
I only got one of them, so I need to but apparently they're coming out with a new account now.
I know, dude. They're really hyping it up. I really hope it's not lackluster.
That might be even better. That's why I didn't buy another one. But anyway,
I'm gonna keep my eye out on it, and it's saying it's for everything: futures, crypto, and FX.
Oh wow, crazy. Okay, interesting. Well, we are going to do a giveaway as well next week Monday on stream as well, Zach. So I've hooked us up with a giveaway Top One Futures on stream here next week Monday. So there are a few exciting things for the guys that are joining us later in the session.
Yeah, we're gonna start doing a lot of cool things here on the Kill Zone, guys.
Yeah,
a lot of cool plans. That's what's up, though, man. Yeah, so I got another one because I did like $6,000 in payouts on the first one I had, and then I ended up torching the account on the plane to London, bro.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I was trying to. I got long, and the market just ended up ripping. Yeah. To be fair, I wasn't giving myself much room because I just kept withdrawing. Like every time it was in profit.
Oh, I see. Yes, yeah, because of that. Yeah, I agree. Yeah.
Like literally, bro, I was leaving myself $2,000 a drawdown and just withdrawing like.
One bad day you lose $1,000. It's like, oh crap, no.
Yeah. That's pretty much exactly what happened. But I just went on a nice run for 4 days in a row where I just requested like 1,500 to 2,000 each day. Just bam, 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 bam. So this time around,
so you can
hopefully
actually
we get
add
a fun. What?
You can actually add in as well, like stuff like that. I'm just testing the different features here on this account, right?
When you add in, does it open up a new position or it adds to the
No,
current?
it evens them out, I believe.
Okay, cool. I actually prefer it like that. That's the way I like it.
I like it actually with a new position personally, but
Yeah, because that's how it is on MT5. But I feel like
yeah.
I like it when it just makes an average entry.
No, sure. So yeah, do you want to take this chart back here quickly? I just want to go piss. Zach.
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah, take it.
What's good, chat? What's good? What's good? Sorry I'm late. How we doing? Harry, Doug. What's up, Doug? Luigi. How's it going, guys? Were any of you guys at the London Expo? Did I meet anyone who's here in chat? It was really cool, man. It was dope hanging out with Austin and everyone in London. But yeah, these are my trades. I mean, I doubt I'm going to take another trade today. I doubt it. There's just nothing I like. Nothing I like, bro. It's tough, too, because if you look at the initial balance here, NQ broke IB high. But if I'm just looking at the price action without the thought of initial balance and the data behind it, I would think we're going for the lows. If I had to pick a direction, it's just a chop fest. It's just it's really just low probability moves today.
Yeah, I see what you're saying there. Just geez, that's just this level's just been holding up so much. Like if you tried to shorten to this level twice today, you were getting smoked.
Getting cooked, yeah, totally. And it broke IB high.
It did, yes.
So yeah, we'll see. I've noticed, man. It's just any week that has a bank holiday in the week, it just ends up not being my favorite trading weeks.
I agree.
And Friday we got half day.
Okay, cool. I'm just messing around with this account because I just want, I'm getting used to the Atos platform. I want to make sure if I'm using something, I'm using it correctly,
Definitely.
So I closed that position for net. I was up 250 on stream. I'm up on the day on this account, but I was up. I closed for 200, then I was down 250 or just under. Now I'm just trying to sculpt my way back up and getting into entering and exiting.
Maybe it's time to start using some volume profile, James. You're gonna have a tool for it. That's like really good, apparently.
I know exactly. You're gonna have to show me, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna try and get a little deeper.
You're gonna get on Atos and show me all the stuff.
Yeah, 100%. Because I've only been using previous days profiles for a long time, but I'm thinking what I could do with that is start incorporating higher time frame profiles like the weekly volume profile, the monthly stuff like that.
Yeah,
for higher time frame levels.
Yeah.
What up, Zarb? Had someone registered here at ASFX TV to watch your course since he trades ICT. He said the liquidity chapters helped him a lot. Oh, hell yeah, Luigi. Good to know, man. Good to know. If he ever wants to hit me up, bro, just tell him. Hit me up on Discord or X or something. Truth Social stop loss? What's this?
Yeah. They don't know nothing about this. Caught on the charts.
Sick.
Gee.
Dude, I'm pro AI slop. I love AI.
Dude, this market's just up and down.
Listen, as traders, AI is not going to take our job. I don't think so. We don't have to hate AI, guys. No. We can just enjoy it all. Jesus Christ, straight up Hormuz in the AI slop song.
This hourly time frame has been pretty interesting as well. See how we just like the 1 minute's just making its way higher here.
Yeah.
We just been, but I don't particularly like much right now. You know what is actually very nice was actually YM today. Look at that.
YM ripped. So did ES. ES was a ripper too.
Ripped. Yeah, ripped.
Just NQ holding it down. I think someone was saying it was the semiconductor sector that was keeping NQ down.
Yeah. And the video was down as well. Semiconductors. I was actually, yeah, that's actually a fair point.
Yeah, hopefully I can get this E8 Pro account passed again. Hopefully I don't fail it, because if it's the last one they're giving out for a while.
No, but they'll do the zero account. They'll do the zero account. Personally, for me, I'm not, other than FTMO, I'm not, and Blueberry, which I already got the 2 steps on, I'm not going to be doing really, the only accounts I'll do 2 steps on is really FTMO and Blueberry. Other than that, I'll do like 1 step or instant funding, you know. The 1 steps, like that E8 1 step account was nice. I remember I was taking nice payouts from it when they were around like a year and a half ago. Remember them and MyFunded FX actually had them.
And it was better back then. It was a better account back then.
It was, yeah, because once you funded, you could just make 1% and then be like, oh, okay, cool, I'm done with that. I'll wait for
because it was actually static drawdown. And also, so the drawdown didn't lock at the starting balance once you took a payout. And the daily loss limit was a soft breach. So you could just keep that as your built-in daily loss limit. And now it's a hard breach. So
yeah, now you have to choose, like you have to put your own daily loss limit in.
But I am interested in what the zero account is going to look like. Did you see Top Step? They're like experimenting with plans. So they have this thing, guys. Have any of you gotten into it? It's called the Lab, and it's like you got to sign up, and you'll get access to buying these experimental challenges.
Interesting.
So they have an experimental challenge. It's a static drawdown account. Static drawdown 25K account, $1,000 max loss limit, but it's static. So you could build a buffer, and it's a little easier because there's no trailing. I was really interested in it. I was like, this is cool, because it was a $2,000 profit target, $1,000 static max loss limit. I was like, damn, that's actually low-key good, because I could still build a buffer, but it'll be easier. But there's a daily loss limit in there, bro. $500 daily loss limit, no matter what. So even if you get that thing up to a $10,000 balance, if you build a proper, it's just BS, bro. Top Step just continues to take L's. They're done, bro. They really are cooks. Like, that account almost was good. I thought I was really interested in it, and then I see that. They should at least make it like a dynamic daily loss limit. So if, like, for example, if your max loss limit is 1,000, then that's half, or your max, and then your daily loss limit is 500. Then your max loss limit, your daily loss limit at that point is half of your max loss limit. Make it dynamic. So then if you have a $2,000 max loss limit, like you build up the buffer, now you should be able to have a $1,000 daily loss limit. If they did that, that would have been an elite account. That would have been such a good account, man.
No, I'm with you. I hear you what you're saying, boss.
But nope.
Yeah, Don. Yeah, this market is just choppy, bro. Jeez.
Yep.
I actually don't really like trading this type of market environment personally.
Hell no. It's awful.
Thank you for time. I've got to get back outside and do something. Have a good day. I'll try to get back Friday. Yeah, no stream Friday. It's bank holiday, but we are going to do Monday. I've got some giveaways. So you can only the people on ASFX TV are going to be accepted for giveaways.
Yeah. No YouTube chat. Sorry, guys.
Yeah. So in saying that, code first gets you a free month into ASFX TV. You can watch the guys, Austin, Ev, and Randy live at the open, and then Zach and I live here at 1 p.m. Eastern time. You also get access to the courses, but giveaways and that is only for ASFX TV subscribers. No YouTube and social media.
Maybe we got to do an Addis giveaway one day.
Yes, we am going to speak to them. That's actually a good. That's actually a good shot. Maybe we'll do it next week. Let me message him right now and say, what do you think about an Addis? What do you think about an Addis giveaway for stream next week? Let's ask them that, and then.
Speaking of which, guys, here, I'll pull this up. I'm running a giveaway on my X account. If you guys want to check this out, anyone can enter. I'm giving away 3 25K select Tradeify accounts. So here, I'll drop the link if you want to join. Chance to win a free one.
Okay, perfect. I'm asking. Yeah, I've just sent the message.
Yeah, NQ looks like it'll go for another low, but it just might go nowhere because if we broke IB high, like it could just be stuck in consolidation.
Yeah, consolidation. Yeah, I'm actually thinking that this could be just this could be just consolidation, no direction higher or lower personally.
Yeah.
Just also looking on my trading view chart as well from the opening range. Nvidia is picking up momentum. To look at this, wow, Nvidia actually picking up a lot of momentum. I'm actually surprised. Now, NQ, I wouldn't be surprised to see NQ close back at opening range high or above it, simply because look at this move on Nvidia. NQ could look to want to catch up to that. Meta, look at Meta. Look at the swing trade on Meta that I had, Zach.
Show me.
I entered last night.
Damn, what an entry, man.
Dude, I was complete by accident, obviously. But we closed above like some levels. I had a clear above the 5-day SMA. I had a clear stop loss placement at the lows. And I literally woke up this morning. I was like, what? Meta's ripping. It's up like 10%. I was like, oh my goodness, dude.
What do you think caused that rip?
There's something with the AI chips, Meta getting the deal or something like that, dude.
Okay. So it has nothing to do with the Kylie Jenner commercial for the Meta glasses?
No.
She did a commercial for Meta glasses, bro.
Oh, jeez. Yeah, no, nothing to do with that. That's for sure. Yeah, this looks pretty bad, bro. So, any questions that you guys have in the chat online here or anything like that, let me know. We can. I think we can wrap it up in the next couple of minutes, Zach. It's not not necessary to go the full hour today. I don't think, particularly with slow price action. But you've had a good month. Maybe you can speak about what you did well last month.
Sure. Yeah. Here, I'll pull my screen up. I'll show you guys some of the payouts and stuff. Had a great month. Did about 21,600 in payouts for June. I cleared over 100K in payouts too for 2026 so far. I was doing the math, so that was really cool.
And how much have you spent on accounts?
Around like 12,000. Around like $12,000.
Yeah, that's solid, dude.
Yeah, actually now a little bit more because I spent about $2,000 last night getting some Tradeify and some challenges. So probably like 14,000 now. But hopefully they turn into payouts. But yeah, it's been a great year, man. It's going well. Here's the payouts from last month. So Apex, 7 accounts.
Nice.
Top one futures, 9,000. And E8.
Yeah, you still on those Apex? Are those still the same Apex accounts, dude?
No. So these were new ones.
They're new ones.
So you can see right here, the ones from May. You can see right here shows payout number. So I had 5 payouts on those accounts, but then I finally ended up torching them like a week later after this last payout. So this new one, this was a new set. It took me 2 resets. So I reset 2 times and then got them passed and then got them to pay out. But yeah, it was a great month, man. I just feel like the goal with me, it's been about being extremely focused on exactly what my plan for the month is. So I know exactly what my ROI is going to look like depending on what accounts I get to pay out. So I know if I'm buying 3 top 1 futures instant fundeds, 7 Apex, an E8 account, Lucid, like I knew. So all in all, I spent around 3,200 last month. And I didn't even get all the accounts to pay out. I also had 5 Lucid Flex accounts that I torched before any payout. But still, like this is the beauty of prop firms. The net profit is insane. It's just such a good ROI.
No, 100%. You've always said as long as you make more than you spend, right?
Yeah, and it's just about being intentional because I feel like a lot of people, especially when they're newer, you guys could probably attest to this. Like you guys, like a lot of people just buy prop firm accounts. They just
without a plan.
Yeah. They'll just be like, oh, there's a new deal on top 1 futures. Let me just buy a couple, or Apex 90% off, let me buy 10. And they're not tracking the money. They don't have a plan.
Yeah.
It's a lot harder to stay focused. So for me, I try to only have one time that I'm buying challenges now. and then that's it for the month. And if I blow them, I'm done.
Yes. You're not just buying every single week and stuff like that.
Yeah. That's been huge for me. That was a big thing I did coming into 2026, because in 2025,
yeah, I agree with you. So many guys, they buy accounts and they don't even know what their plan is, how much they spent. How much did you spend on accounts last month? Oh, geez, I don't know. Well, that's silly.
Exactly, man. Yeah, in 2025, I started doing this in the latter half of the year. So for 2026, I was like, okay, the goal, I need to do this from day one of the year, track everything. And the main key is, get just 2 payouts on your funded accounts. Like whatever set, if you're trading 5, what I mean is get at least 2 sets of payouts on those same accounts. That's how you're going to have that net profitable ROI. That's really the key.
We're getting I added into this NASDAQ longs, actually. We're getting a bit of a move back up. So
yeah, it's coming right back up.
Yeah, I'm just thinking we can get back up to like 250 maybe.
Yes, dude. I feel so bad. Like, you're just kind of experimenting with the new platform. I feel so bad. There's people today who are like just taking 5,000 losses today. Just tight stops, full size, just taking paper cut after paper cut in this bullshit.
Yeah. I'm experimenting with the platform, but I'm not throwing Hail Marys at it.
Yeah. Not
get some music in the last 10 minutes as well. Also,
I got you.
New to the kill zone, I noticed you guys look at the 2, 5, and 15-minute chart a lot. Do you guys find the high time frame better to read? Yeah, I like using the hourly time frame for my high time frame swing. So basically, what I'm doing now is I've got accounts that I swing trade and I've got accounts that I day trade. Exactly like what Zach said, put into a plan. That is my plan. I've got accounts that I swing trade and accounts that I day trade. Simple as that. Someone's asking if you buy straight to funded accounts, instant funded accounts, Zach.
Oh yeah, man. Yeah, I just bought 5 straight to funded Lightning accounts with Tradeify literally last night. I'm trading them.
Yeah.
So yeah, absolutely. I like instant funded. I have a good ROI with them. I have a good payout. Like the majority of the times I get them to pay out. But the key is I trade them very small, man. I trade small size.
Yeah, you trade small size and just get to the payout.
Yeah, exactly. Here, we got some music. Should we play? Okay, here, James, you pick.
Last 5 minutes, we can get some music.
Do you want to play Boner Candle? Or do you want to play Funded?
No, let's do that. Funded. What's that? Funded? And
funded
free.
And free? Okay, let's try
that's a sick one.
No Boner Candle.
Yeah.
Oh, God, it's country.
Yeah.
Rolled out of bed at 6 a.m. with coffee going cold. Pulled on my platform like I do, did what I was told. Waited on the setup, let the weak hands make their move. But 9:15, I was already locked into the groove. One clean trade, I tipped my hat and shut the laptop down.
Turn it up there, boss.
I got you. Bump it.
Wait till they see what just landed in my account at 5. Mama said, boy, what are you doing on the screen all day? Daddy said, son, and future's gonna blow your cash away. Well, I kept the rules tight, kept my head down, kept the faith. And tonight the whole damn county's gonna hear what I made. Funded and free, yeah, I told you so.
It's pretty sick, eh? I must admit. This is definitely not what they listen to in New York, though.
Nah, we got the hip hop for the New Yorkers.
Yeah, exactly. My type of music. But this is not bad.
This is good.
I'm 3 accounts deep, but I'm not stopping now.
Up to the bonfire with a grin from ear to ear. Everybody asking why I'm smiling nice together here. See, I've been up before the sunrise while you're hitting snooze, learning how to lose right, so I know how not to lose. Black shirt club, been in my corner since the very start.
Black shirt club plug.
Discipline locked in my heart. 3 trays daily. Walk away, protect
what
you built up. And tonight we're pouring every drop into this cup. They said the market's rigged, said the house always wins, said retail traders lose it all, so don't you dare begin. Well, somebody forgot to tell my account deal, cause the payout just came through and boys, it's off the rails. Funded and free.
Hey!
Running loud down the county road. Payout hits, boys, the drinks are on me. Funded and free, funded and free. They said it couldn't happen, said the odds were stacked. Said go get a real job, said don't look back. Well, I'm 3 accounts deep and I ain't stopping.
James, are you still using VWAP for your swing trades? Dan,
Yes, VWAP. I'm using VWAP, weekly VWAP, start of week VWAP, previous week's VWAP, as well as stuff like the 5-day SMA and just some price action as well. So
Nice.
yes,
Dan,
Yeah.
it was looking like we were going to sell right there. And just bought right back up. It's
Yeah,
just
Danny's
totally. It's just,
so, dude, I'd say
tightening.
those stalls at this level of 170 has been getting eaten up, bro. It's like been bouncing from you the whole day.
Yeah, buyers want that price.
Yeah. So yes, Danny, I am using VWAP 100%.
Oh, what a day! What a day!
Perfect. Yeah, but we can close up shop here. Make sure. So just two notes before we leave. One, make sure to go check out Atlas, especially if you all want to check out a futures platform that has, great copy trading and volume analysis and a whole bunch of indicators that you can check out, as well as level 2 data. And then the second thing is code FIRST gets you a free month to ASFX TV. We are doing a bunch of giveaways next week. So if you want to be included in that and watch the guys live at the Open, Orson, Evan and the guys, and Randy, and check out the courses, code FIRST gets you a free month.
Absolutely. Here, I'm going to drop the link right here again, guys. It's also in the description of the video. asfx.biz/first.
Yes, sir.
Oh, all right, guys. All right, we'll be back, I
Okay.
guess, Mondays. But check the rest of the
Yeah,
guys for
Monday.
the rest of the week.
Yes, sir. Cheers,
All
bro.
right. Peace. Well, peace. Bye.
Cheers. Bye.